Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can center text in Excel. Okay, I will show you how you can make center horizontally or vertically. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. So I just put some text here in Excel. Okay, okay, so this is my text. So you can see it is aligned my left side. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, okay, this is my text. So if you want to center only one text, just select the cell here under the home. We need to go in this alignment, and here you need to select the center. And if you want to make it in middle, then you can click on this option, middle aligns. Okay, and if you want to make multiple text to same alignment, just select the all like this. You have to just click by mouse, hold it and select this, or you can simply select all column. So I just select this text. Here I need to make center first, then middle alignment. You can see. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.